Good morning students. Last class we discussed about preparation of salts. Now we discuss about pH scale. So here, what is pH? Here, what is P? What is H? Who was introduced by pH scale? It was introduced by Sorensen. Who was introduced by pH scale? Sorensen. Next, here what is P? P stands for potenge. This word came from German word. It is a German word. Potenge means power. H stands for hydrogen. This is introduction of pH scale. Now, what is the range of pH scale? The range of pH scale is 0 to 14. So here the pH value having 0 to 14. 0 to 7 is there, what happens? Solution nature. 7 is there, what happens? Solution nature. 7 to 14 is there, what happens? Solution nature. We can identify. Here for acidic solutions, the pH range is 0 to 7. Next, for basic solution, the pH range is 7 to 14. What happens? Neutral solution. For neutral solution, equal to 7. So for acidic solution pH range equal to 0 to 7. For basic solution pH range is 7 to 14. For neutral solution pH value equal to 7. Next, what is the definition of pH? What is the definition of pH? The negative logarithm of base 10 of H plus ion concentration. So it is important topic. So again I repeat, the negative logarithm of base 10 of H plus ion concentration is called as pH. Here H plus ion concentration simply indicated by H plus, close the bracket. This is called as H plus ion concentration. Next, how you can calculate the H plus concentration? By using this formula, pH equal to negative logarithm of 10 of H plus ion concentration. Simple definition again. In formula definition, either check it. Negative logarithm of base of 10 H plus ion concentration. This one also we should write. pH equal to log 10 1 by H plus. Next, second one is pOH. What is the meaning of this one? This is applicable for bases. The negative logarithm of base of 10 OH minus ion concentration. Here OH minus ion concentration, how you can indicate? Simply OH minus concentration. OH minus ion concentration can be indicated by OH minus, close the bracket. How you can calculate the OH minus ion concentration? pOH equal to minus log negative logarithm of 10 of base OH minus ion concentration. This one also we should write, or pOH equal to log 10 1 by OH minus ion concentration. So this is formulas. Next, what happens pH value for acidic solutions? H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration also, how you can identify? For acidic solutions, pH value equal to, here what happens? H plus ions and OH minus ions for acidic solutions, H plus ion concentration more than OH minus ion concentration. This value equal to, we should write pH less than 7. For acidic solution, pH less than 7. Next, for basic solutions, pH value. Here what happens? H plus ions and OH minus ion concentration. Here H plus ion concentration less than of OH minus. It means here H plus ions less, OH minus ions more. That's why the pH value equal to greater than 7. Now, for neutral solutions, pH value, what happens here? H plus ions and OH minus ions concentration. H plus ions concentration equal to OH minus ions. Here both are equal in neutral solution. That's why pH value also equal to 7. Next, what is the relation between H plus ion concentration with pH value? What is the relation between H plus ion concentration with pH value? H plus ion concentration, pH value. Now observe, H plus ion concentration we should write 4 values. So 10 to the power 0. If H plus ion concentration 10 to the power 0 is there, what is the pH value? 0. Here H plus ions concentration we should write 4 values, pH value we should write 0 to 14. Now H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 1, then what is the pH value? 1. If H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 2 is there, what is the pH value? 2. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 3 is there, pH value is 3. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 4, pH value is 4. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 5, pH value is 5. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 6, pH value is 6. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 7, pH value 7. So H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 8, for pH value is 8. 10 to the power minus 9 H plus concentration, pH value is 9. So H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 10, pH value is 10. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 11, pH value is 11. 10 to the power minus 12, H plus ion concentration, what is the pH value? 12. Next, H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 13. 13. H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 14, pH value is 14. So this is the relation between H plus ion concentration with the pH value. How you can calculate the pH value? By using 4 values. Now observe, suppose if pH value equal to 1, H plus ion concentration equal to 10 to the power minus 1. We should write pH value 1. How you can find out? Now check it. pH equal to minus log 10 H plus ion concentration. This one we should modify. pH equal to log 10 1 by H plus ion concentration. Here how much is there H plus ion concentration? 10 to the power minus 1. Now applying the formula, pH equal to log 10 1 by 10 to the power minus 1. These 4 values send upside, then what happens? This formula we should write. pH equal to log 10 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. 1 into 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1. pH equal to log 10, 10 to the power minus 1. Now here observe H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 1 is there. What is the pH value? 1. So this is relation. How to calculate the pH value by using our H plus ion concentration. Next another one example observe. H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 6. What is the pH value? pH equal to 6. How you can find out? By using formula. pH equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Now here pH equal to, we should write log 10, 1 by H plus ion concentration. Now H plus ion concentration how much is there? 10 to the power minus 6. pH equal to log 10, 1 by 10 to the power minus 6. This power value is sent upside. Then what happens? pH equal to log 10, 1 into 10 to the power 6. Now this one pH equal to log 10 into 10 to the power 6. pH equal to 6. So this is calculations. So next class we discuss about remaining topic. Thank you.